Having trouble transferring files from your iPhone to Mac? In this video, we'll cover 6 methods to back up your iPhone data. Choose the one that works best for you. Part 1. Transfer files from iPhone to Mac with Assistant for iOS. To transfer contacts, photos, and videos from iPhone to Mac, use Mobikin Assistant for iOS. It offers one-click transfer, backup, and restore, making it a great iTunes alternative. Part 1. Transfer files from iPhone to Mac with Assistant for iOS. Step 1. Connect your iPhone to Mac. After installing Mobikin Assistant for iOS, launch the program and connect your iPhone to your Mac with a USB cable. The main interface will display your files categorized on the left. Step 2. Select your target files. Select your files or use the search box to find them. Step 3. Transfer iPhone data to Mac now. Click Export to transfer the selected files to your Mac. Wait for the process to complete, which depends on the number and size of files. Enjoy your transferred files. Part 2. Transfer data from iPhone to Mac via AirDrop. Step 1. Turn on AirDrop on your iPhone and Mac. To turn on AirDrop, swipe up to open Control Center and tap AirDrop. From the upper left module, turn on AirDrop on your Mac, using Finder to search your AirDrop program on your Mac. Remember to turn on your Bluetooth and Wi-Fi to turn on AirDrop on your Mac. Step 2. Transfer files from iPhone to Mac via AirDrop. Open Photos on your iPhone, select the photos, tap the Share button, and choose your Mac in AirDrop. The transfer will begin. Part 3. Transfer data from iPhone to Mac using Cable Finder. Connect your iPhone to your Mac. Open Finder, select your iPhone, click Files, and drag the desired files to your Mac. Eject your iPhone when done. Part 4. Copy files from iPhone to Mac with iCloud. Step 1. Enable iCloud backup on iPhone. On your iPhone, go to Settings, your name, Cloud iCloud Backup, and then toggle the switch to turn it on. Step 2. Set up iCloud on Mac. On your Mac, open System Preferences, Apple ID iCloud. Ensure iCloud Drive is enabled and check the boxes for desktop and documents folders. Click Done to apply the settings. Part 5. Transfer files from iPhone to Mac using Google Drive. In Google Drive, tap the plus button, choose Upload File, and select your file. On your Mac, open Google Drive, find the file, click the 3 dots, select Download, and save it. Part 6. Move files from iPhone to Mac with email. Log into your email on your iPhone, send the files to yourself, and log out. On your Mac, log in and download the files.